Welcome back everybody to CoinMarketCap Daily on Monday the 18th of October. My name is Trev, and as always, make sure to like this video and stay tuned until the end, as there's some stories you don't want to miss. So let's go over our headlines. The online game platform Steam has just banned blockchain-based games. NBA Top Shot surges as retro moments are released. Bitcoin achieves highest weekly close ever. And then we'll talk about gifting children crypto in one of those stories today. And then we'll talk about the worrying news regarding Tether being fined for $41 million over misleading statements. So let's get started with the PC game platform Steam, who just recently announced that it will no longer allow blockchain-based games. This means that any game that issues or allows the exchange of cryptocurrencies or NFTs are forbidden. Some gaming developers have even described Steam's decision as a setback. But this isn't all doom and gloom, as some companies like Epic Games, the business behind Unreal Engine, which has brands including Fortnite, has said that it will welcome games that use blockchain technology, provided they follow the relevant laws. With the company's CEO and founder Tim Sweeney saying in a tweet, "Though Epic's not using crypto in our games, we welcome innovation in areas of technology and finance." Next up, Retro Moments was just released, which has caused a surge in NBA Top Shots by 144% in the past 7 days. There has been a total of 34,000 buyers and 320,000 transactions that have been confirmed in the marketplace over this period, meaning the collection is number 7 in sales. These NFTs celebrate the NBA's iconic moments in basketball history from over 15 years ago. Enthusiasts have been vying to get their hands on a range of NFTs that vary from common to legendary, featuring legends including LeBron James and Shaquille O'Neal. Next up, a story for the bulls. Bitcoin has achieved the highest weekly close ever. CoinMarketCap data shows that the world's biggest cryptocurrency ended Sunday with a value of $61,217. A close above $60,000 has only happened once before. The resilient end to a bullish week of market activity was made all the more impressive by how Bitcoin slumped from $60,943 to lows of $59,164 in the space of 2 hours last night, only to recoup all of these losses 70 minutes later. With a Bitcoin ETF in the US set to open its doors for the first time later on Monday, a number of crypto enthusiasts are now setting their sights on a new all-time high above $64,863. That would be the highest level seen since April and potentially open the door to a price in 6 figures. Next, let's go over a story of one crypto investor back in 2017 from Brazil who decided to do something special for his newborn daughter. The investor decided to buy one whole Bitcoin at the time, which was worth $915. Comparing this to today's level, the value has surged by a whopping 6,708%. Brazil has a national holiday called Children's Day, where parents traditionally shower their kids with presents. And in recent years, some tech-savvy moms and dads have opted to invest in cryptocurrencies instead. And it seems like this is a growing trend worldwide, with people like Elon Musk buying Dogecoin for his baby to become a toddler hodler, and others following in similar footsteps. Next up, let's talk about Tether being fined for $41 million over misleading statements. According to the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, USDT was not fully backed by US dollars across a period from June 2016 to June 2019. Tether is a stablecoin that's designed to be worth $1, and at the time the issuer said that every USDT in circulation had the equivalent amount of corresponding fiat currency that was safely deposited in its accounts. The CFTC alleges that the company failed to disclose that unsecured receivables and other non-fiat assets were in these reserves, and falsely claimed that routine professional audits were going to take place. Data from the regulator suggests that Tether only had sufficient fiat reserves to back USDT for just 27.6% of the time over a period spanning 26 months, with the CTFC's chairman Rustin Benham saying, "This case highlights the expectation of honesty and transparency in the rapidly growing developing digital asset marketplace. The CFTC will continue to take divisive action to bring light on true or misleading statements that impact CFTC's jurisdictional markets." Despite the CFTC's case focusing on the period between 2016 and 2019, questions surrounding the funds that Tether holds in reserves have not gone away. With earlier this month, Bloomberg Businessweek released a scathing report that asked the question, Tether is supposed to be backed by real US dollars, so where's the money? With the report going on to claim that Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen summoned the heads of the SEC and Federal Reserve to discuss Tether amid fears that it had gotten so large that it threatened to put the US financial financial system at risk. Tether reacted furiously to the in-depth feature and claimed that it was based on innuendo and misinformation. Anyways guys, we thank you so much for watching. Be sure to come back tomorrow by of course subscribing to stay up to date with CoinMarketCap. And if you'd like to be notified when we upload, make sure to gently tap the bell icon down below. This has been your host Trev, and if you have any questions, just ask Alex in the description below. See you all tomorrow.